Only a pawn can capture another pawn in passing. Capturing in passing is an option which must be exercised at the first and only opportunity. If the opportunity is not exploited, the option lapses. Diagram 47 shows the typical introductory position. The pawn which is to make the capture must be on its fifth rank. The white pawn is placed on King Bishop 5. The pawn which is to be captured must be on its original second rank on an adjacent pile. The black pawn is at King 2. In diagram 48, the black pawn advances 2 squares. In diagram 48, white has the option on his next move of capturing the pawn as if it had moved only 1 square. In diagram 49, white takes up his option and captures the black pawn, pawn to pawn. In diagram 50, it is black who has a pawn on the fifth rank, which will be able to capture en passant in the event that the white pawn on the adjacent pile, now on its original square, should advance 2 squares to its fourth rank. In diagram 51, if we started out with the black pawn on the third rank and advance it 1 square to the fourth rank, there would be no possibility of en passant capture. In diagram 52, there is one type of position in which capturing en passant is prohibited, namely when such capture would expose your king to check. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe.